It's yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. It's so yummy. Believe me, you. Mmm. It's so delicious. Mmm. Mmm. It's yummy. Guys, if you want to see how I got this delicious cake, carrot cake, please watch to the end of this video. I'm going to sieve my flour. This is all-purpose flour. My baking powder, my baking salt, and sieve everything because you don't want lumps or anything of that in you. Here I have 5 eggs, and I'm just going to add in my orange zest and my fresh orange juice, salt, and beet. I want to add in my sugar at this stage. Now that I've mixed all my other ingredients, I'm just going to gently add in flour and fold. Just keep folding until you folded all of your flour and you have a smooth. You can see how that is. It's really smooth. And then I'm just going to add in my grated carrots. And mix. So now we want to grease our pan. Just grease your pan with some vegetable oil. So guys, in here I'm just going to pour in my smooth mixture. Oh, look how that is. It looks so smooth. Now you can see the amount of carrots that are added in it, and now I'm just going to pour in some raisins. Yes, you heard that right. This is just going to make everything taste perfect and good. So guys, I'm just going to use this my soya stick and just play in it a little because you want the raisins everywhere. And while I'm doing this, my oven is already preheated, so and I'm going to bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Yeah, so now that all that is done, I'm going to put this into my oven. See you guys after 45 minutes. So guys, this is how our cake looks. Now I baked this for about 50 minutes, and this is the end result. And you can see how beautiful it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so that in case I upload any videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much, so much. Please become part of this amazing family and be part of our journey. Please take care and stay safe. Bye bye.